Yeshua, tudum, 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 Amasia. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. You guys peep my new hairstyle. Well, it's not so new anymore. I mean, I posted a reel. Is it? No, it's called a reel on Instagram, but it's called shorts here on YouTube. I posted a reel on Instagram. I posted shorts here on YouTube, and you guys, I love this hair so much. But anyways, it's not about this hair today. Okay, guys, it's a new vlog, and I woke up hungry. All right, I've been sorting my workspace. Like, I've just been trying to put a few things in place because that place scatter. That's how it gonna be. Oh, see, I don't get power. I don't tell episode. I don't keep myself. Okay. Anyways, guys, it's time to make breakfast. Not just breakfast, actually. I was ill at some point, and then when I got better, my sister became ill. So I think we need to also, aside from treating ourselves and everything, I feel like we also need some immune booster. So I'm about to do that this morning. I want to make breakfast. We're having plantain and pap. My sister does not like pap, so she's going to eat a plantain just like that. Okay, now me want drink pap. Then I'm going to do the immune booster. For my immune booster, I'll be using pineapple, lemon, ginger, just all of that good stuff, because these things are also very, very important. Once in a while we need to take all of these things. So yeah, that's about the plan this morning. So let's just head to the kitchen. There's no light, so I just on gen so that the video not go not go be dark and everything. Plus I need the light in the kitchen so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go. Let's go with my tear cloth. Okay, I cannot keep myself. I cannot come and keep myself. This is so dark, man. It's so dark. Okay, what's up? Be serious.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. And the fear leaves me blind. You always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open. To
guys, what's up? So this is the next day after the whole breakfast and juicing and all of that. Yeah, my sister is coming to Lagos. Not this idiot that is proud. This fool. Guys, let me tell you, we've just been lazing around on this bed since morning. But yeah, my sister is coming over today. That's Chioma, our fourth born. She actually went to Ibadan to make some inquiries for her schooling and stuff. So she's going to be staying with us for a few weeks. That means no more cooking for me or her. Chioma is gonna take over. She's actually almost here in Lagos, and we're going to go and pick her up at the park. So maybe when she's here, when she's settled in, I'll show you. This one is just proud. I don't know what she's pressing. TikTok won't finish my sister life. TikTok.
I follow me on TikTok.
Please follow her on TikTok. I'm going to leave her handle on this screen.
Follow me.
Follow me too. I know they curse for TikTok since. But yeah, I hope you guys learned one or two things from what I showed you yesterday. I know if you can the show now, all those things. And I know some of you don't know how to make PAP. That's actually why I showed that. Maybe if you want me to do a close-up shot of how to make PAP and all of that, then I can do a dedicated video. But I think that this one I showed you guys is really explanatory. But let me know in the comments, okay? I just thought to say hello, because my sister will be here soon. So I don't want you to not be like, who is that other person? She looks like you people. Well, some of you know my sister. If you've been following my vlogs, then you obviously know my sister. But then, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, what's up guys? Let me tell you, it's been over a week. I'm not even going to lie. It's been over a week, guys. I ended up not showing you guys my sister when we finally went to pick her up and everything. But she's around now. Let me... Chioma! I'm the only one that can shout their names like that. Hello! Hi. Come here. Booty shuku girl here. Bring down your big head here. Guys! What? Why you bend your head one side? Guys, meet. You guys have met her before now. They've seen you in that vlog.
Yeah.
This is the one that they said is my favorite sister. It's not me that said it though. I'm not the one that said it. Who said it? Choma, all of them said it. But she does not even think so. I don't think so. But if they think so, just say hi.
Hello.
Where did that intonation come from? Hello, Guinea. Oh, she's not hello. Anyways, guys, this is my sister. This is our fourth born. So she's like our she's our second to the last born.
Yeah.
She actually, Guinea. she actually went to Ibadan to get a form and then decided to come here for a while. So she's going to be here for a while, and she has been the one cooking. Let me not even lie to you, because me, I traveled. If you're following me on Instagram, you would know that I traveled. I traveled for a few days. Was it up to 5 days? No, was up to 5 days. But yeah, we're back, and to be honest, I'm trying to round off this vlog. Get out, what I do here. I'm trying to round off my vlog, guys. We have a wedding tomorrow. Our family friend turned brother and sister. Betha, shut up, that doesn't make sense. Our family friend turned brother. These guys are no longer like family friends to us. We're family, that's how close we are now. The boy is no more a boy. The man is getting married tomorrow, to his friend, who is obviously our friend as well, and sister now, so I'm actually on I'm not doing Ashwebi this time around. I'm going to be one of the best men. Yeah, I'm wearing suits. Guys, I've never worn a suit in my life. I don't think I have. I don't have any memory of that. And even if I did, it was as a kid, but now being an adult and everything, I have never worn a suit. So I bought a new suit. I'm going to show you guys all of that in a new vlog. Maybe the wedding vlog, you guys will just see me wearing the suit, because to be honest, I need to end this vlog right now. The wedding is on the mainland, somewhere around Jibo. So yes, I'm going to take out this hair. Obviously, this is not the hair I'll use for the wedding, so all of that good stuff, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I hope you guys really did, because to be honest, I've been really busy and all, but yeah, this is me trying to round off this vlog so that you guys have something to watch. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.